So, friends, in the previous part, we have learned at this till this point, and we have learned so far how to use image as a reference to model our character. Like if you have sketch any character and using your imagination and just want to model that your imagination. So, how can we model that character? So, using image. So, you can use your image to model a character like this. So I have told you how to use images on different texts to model our characters. So if you haven't watched that video, you can watch it later and just understand the basic things of it. So now, guys, what do you need to do? Now we are going to add the hands of the characters. But before that, if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. So let's start the video. First of all, guys, what do you need to do to add a hand? We can use cube here. Just press shift A and just select the cube. Now we can scale this cube here, scale it down, and just move it along z axis. Press G and Z. Fine. And now just move it along G and X. So you can press G or X. Fine. And just rotate R and Y. R to rotate or Y to rotate along Y axis, and move it little bit down here. Fine. Now this is better. And G and X. Now this is better. And now we are going to use this cube here to make our hand. So we'll make a add modifier mirror modifier later after making one hand. So it will automatically add one hand on the left side as well or right side as well. So just go to edit mode. Just press Alt Z to use transparent feature. So just go little bit zoom here. Now just scale it down. Fine. And now we can do one thing here. So just select both vertex here, these two vertex. Okay. And then just press E to extrude or scale it. Fine. E to extrude. Just move it. Z to move it. And as you can scale it a little bit more. Now press E to extrude, Z to move, and S to scale. Fine. Now you can press E to extrude, Z to move, and S to scale. A little bit. Now E to extrude, S to scale, G to move. Fine. So yeah, we are almost going. Just press E and extrude a little bit. So just E and just this. Fine, and just press S to scale it like this, and press E to extrude till this point, and just press S to scale it. Or you can scale it a little bit more and G to move. What? Sorry. Use this two vertex and S. Let me see the side view. As you can see, it is perfect. Now, what you can do here, just press E, or you just press E and just extrude a little bit and scale it down. Fine. So now you press E to extrude and R to rotate, R and Y to rotate. Fine. And G to move it. Fine. And you can press, uh, or what we can do, like this is not the perfect thing we should do. I think this is now, this should be our hand. Fine. So we should actually make this one. No, like let me do one thing here, or just scale it along, or just you can scale it here like this, and just move it like this, and just scale it again. Sorry, extrude again, and just move it like this, and rotate along y-axis. You like this, and scale it, or just move like this. Just scale it like this. Fine. So now it is not looking promising. Now you can use like, uh, now you can select this one like this, scale and y-axis. Fine, like this. Or you can use these two vertices as well. Now this is fine. Just scale S over Y. Fine. Or you can go one by one. Just scale. Fine. You can use these things S and Y. S and Y. S and Y. Fine. Now to let me go to uh, let me make this, so this should be wider. So I should choose each here and make it S and Y. Fine. Now this is bit much better, and we can extrude this uh, face to make our. Let me go to this mode. Yes, and this should be little wider as well. Fine. Now this is better. So now let's make thumb here. So just choose this one, this face, select the space mode, choose this, and E to extrude. We can go to this way or this way. Fine. And just scale it down and rotate along y axis, R and Y. R and X, sorry, X. Fine. And just move it Y. Now you can press E to extrude. E to extrude, and R and X to rotate, S to scale, and G and Y to move. Oh, yeah. And you can extrude one more time. S2. Yeah. I think this is perfect. Now let's make uh, our second hand. So we just need to use the mirror modifier here. So just go to front view, or we can zoom out. Now what we need to do, we need to make our what we have to do to make our second hand. So just go to just select this modifier here, add modifier, and just select this mirror modifier. Right now it is not going accordingly. Just select y-axis and choose an object, or we can use this to make our this. So right now it is not locating at the right position. Now this is perfect. Fine. So we since we are mirroring on y-axis, that's why we have to select x-axis here and choose the object. It will automatically. So right now on the now you can see we have almost made our. And let me see the other side view. Just press Alt and Z, and let me zoom it. Now you can see it is a little bit out of the shape. Just go to the vertex mode. Sorry, let me go back to this mode. Hmm. Or I can go this mode. Or I can do one more thing here is hmm. So what can I do here? So now let's locate each vertex at the right position. So right now these two vertex should be on the top. So let's make it on the top G and like this. And these two vertex should be at this position, and these vertex should be at this position. And I think our hand is totally out of the position. So right now, I think I should make this point. This vertex should be G to move. Fine, and use these two vertex, or you can use this G. Fine, and use these vertex plus G here. Yeah, and these vertex should be here, and this should be here. I think this should be here. And we have extra selected extra vertex. Now this is fine, and we can move these vertex. Fine, I think we are going right direction. G to move here. Let me see the side view. Is it disturbed? I think after making the last change, Let me see the different view. So just let me zoom out. So my mouse is not working. That's why I've been struggling. Now, guys, let's see our hand, how our hand look like. We can locate these vertices properly because in 3D it makes look different. So let's zoom and just make it transparent, untransparent. Now you can see the side view. Let me go like this. Now you can see it is very similar. Now we can model our leg like this similarly. So we just yeah. So in the next video we are going to learn about how to add our leg and model our leg. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. And because if I try to make full tutorial, it will take around 1.5 hours. So I don't like to make longer videos. That's why I'm stopping right now. So in the next video we are going to add our uh, leg and then face. So we'll finish after that. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.